In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to discover new music on Spotify with some fantastic tips and tricks. Whether you're a music enthusiast keen on broadening your collection or just someone looking to spice up your playlist, this guide will help you navigate Spotify's vast world of music effortlessly. Let's start with Spotify's Discover Weekly and Release Radar, two invaluable tools for music exploration. Discover Weekly is a personalized playlist that refreshes each Monday, filled with tracks you've never heard before, tailored to your tastes. Think of it as your magical Monday morning surprise, designed with you in mind. Alongside this, there's Release Radar, updated every Friday, bringing you the latest music from the artists you love and some others that fit within your vibe. These playlists are not just a window into new music, but a brilliant way to stay updated with the freshest tunes. And don't forget to check out the Made For You mixes and various genre playlists. These are curated based on your listening habits and can introduce you to genres and artists you've never thought to explore. Next, let's dive into the power of the radio feature. If you found a song or artist that you really enjoy, starting a radio is a great way to explore more music. Simply go to the song or artist page and look for the Start Radio option. This will create a continuous stream of similar music, offering new artists and tracks that share the same essence. It's like creating a never-ending playlist that aligns with your current preferences. Plus, one pro tip is to follow friends and artists whose music taste you admire. When you do this, you get to see what they are listening to, allowing you to glean inspiration and discover new music through their preferences. It offers a social way to engage and expand your music library organically. Finally, don't overlook Spotify's AI DJ and autoplay features, which are excellent for effortless discovery of new music. The AI DJ curates music tailored to your likes and introduces new tracks seamlessly into your listening experience. Just hit that AI DJ button and let Spotify work its magic, introducing tracks you might have never stumbled upon on your own. Similarly, the autoplay function ensures that once you finish listening to a playlist or album, Spotify continues the vibe with similar tracks. It's an exceptional way to encounter new music without interruption, keeping the auditory journey flowing smoothly. By integrating these features and tips into your regular Spotify usage, you can continually discover new music that resonates with you. Happy listening, and may your playlist always be filled with fresh, exciting tunes.